Today we're going to be looking at multiplication and division, just some hacks to help. So in the last video that we did, we looked at multiplying and dividing, and since then some feedback I've had from some of you is that you understand the method and you think it'll work, but you're just struggling with your times tables a little bit. You're a bit weaker on the times tables, and that's affecting how you answer these questions. So firstly, my first tip is to use TT Rockstars. You know the school have it. They've got logins and passwords for everybody. Sign on as much as you can and just smash it until your exams as well. It'll really help. Another good tip I've found, it's completely free. All you need is a device and a bit of internet, and that is Hit the Button. I play it with my daughter. It's massively improved her multiplication and times tables, and it's been amazing. There's different ones you can use, but Top Marks is the website, and the game itself is called Hit the Button, and you also have your TT Rockstars. Okay, in this hack that I'll be showing you, I've already used it in my classroom. One girl uses it all the time because she was struggling, and she's had lots of success. I'm not going to say her name, but she's done really well on her papers by using this method that I'm about to show you now. So let's get into it. We've got 456 times 2 and 321 times 5. So we know we're going to need to use our 2 times table and our 5 times table. Let's start with the first one, 456 times 2. And literally, because I know it's going to be my 2 times table, just going to write draw 2 circles underneath. And there you go, there's 2. And I'm timesing it by 6. Let me put 6 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you go, that's my 2 times 6. How many do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there you go, I've got my answer. It's 12. My 2 there, 1 underneath. Alright, next, what do I have? I'm just going to get rid of this because of space. Okay, next we have 2 times 5. Again, I'll get my 2 circles in there and put 5 in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count away. I know there's 5 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My answer is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. Add the 1 is 11. 11. Alright, next I've got 2 times 4. So how many rings do you think I'm going to make now? That's right, 2 times table. Just make 2. Alright, 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. Add the 1. It gives me 9. So the answer is 912. 2 times 456 is 912. Now this is the very, very basic level of doing it. Like I said, the best thing to do is to play games. Go on TT Rockstars as much as you can. Go on Hit the Button. There's also an amazing song compilation on YouTube. So go on YouTube and type in times table songs. If you remember the songs, you'll remember your times tables. It's just like when I ask you what's the 5th letter of the alphabet. When I ask you what the 5th letter of the alphabet is, you immediately go to the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E. So same thing with multiplication. It can help you there with your times tables. Alright, next let's have a look. We have 5 times table. We got 5 times 321. So 5 times 1 we know is 5. We'll just put 5 in. 5 times 2. Let's have a look. You can choose whichever one you want. I like to go for the smaller number. I've got 5 and I've got 2. So 5 times 2, I may as well draw 2 there, just because it's easier. And let's put 5 of them in each one, because 5 times 2 and 2 times 5 are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count them up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is 10. 0 there, underneath. And finally we've got 5 times 3. 5 times 3. Okay, so 5 times 3 and 3 times 5 are the same, so I'll just put 3 rings there, and I'll put 5 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then add them up. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My answer is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 1. 16. 1,605 is the answer. Okay, I hope this helped. Let's have a look at the division version of doing this now. Okay, so division. We've got a divisor of 2 and a divisor of 5, so it's our 2 times table and our 5 times table. Let's get straight into it. How many times does 2 go into 4? Well, here's how you do it for division. Let's do groups of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll stop there because we've hit 4. Got 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2. So my answer is 2. Next, how many times does 2 go into 5? Let's have a look. How many times does 2 go into 5? So again, I'm going to go into groups of 2 until I hit 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's group these now. I've got 1, 2, and a little bit left over. So let's count 1, 2, so it's 2. How many remaining? 1. So 2 remaining, 1. Next, how many times does 2 go into 12? Let's do our 2s until we hit the number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's count these groups then. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there you go. How many times does 2 go into 12? 6. So the answer is 226. Okay, this one I find is much easier when it comes to division. So let's do the same thing now for our next division question. And we've got a divisor of 5, so it's going to be our 5 times table. How many times does 5 go into 1,563? Let's have a look. 5. How many times does 5 go into 1? It can't, because 1 is smaller than 5. So how many times does 5 go into 15? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, let's see how many times that is then. We've got 1, 2, 3. 5 goes into 15 3 times. No remainder. Okay, next. How many times does 5 go into 6? Let's have a look, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice and easy. Let's group it together. It goes in 1 with a remainder of 1. So how many times does 5 go into 6? Once with a remainder of 1. How many times does 5 go into 13? Let's have a look. Just make some room. Let's now do how many times does 5 go into 13. So 5 into 13, let's do our groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now let's group them now. How many times does 5 go into 13? We've got 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, and we've got some left over. How many do you have left over? 1, 2, 3. So the answer, how many times does 5 go into 13 is 1. It's 2. Remainder, 1, 2, 3. Remainder 3. There we go. So the answer is 312, remainder 3. Now I hope that this way helped. I'm going to put one on for you to have a go at now. Let's see if you can do this one. You've got your 4 times table and your 3 times table. So remember, we're going to have groups of 4 and groups of 3 for each one. Have a go and we'll go for the answer in a minute. Right, let's go through some answers then. So pause the video if you're not ready, but the answers we'll do now. So we've got 2 divisors, we've got 4, so our 4 times table, and we've got 3, our 3 times table. So we know we're going to have groups of 4 and groups of 3. Alright, question number 1. How many times does 4 go into 732? Let's have a look. 4, how many times does 4 go into 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I know I've only got one group of 4, so it goes in once with how many left over? 1, 2, 3, with 3 left over. So let's have a look. Remainder 3. How many times does 4 go into 33? Let's have a look. Let's do our groups of 4. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Let's go here. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, let's group these together. Just to make it easy, I'm going to rub this out. Right, let's count how many times 4 goes into 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remainder 1. So let's write it in. 8, remainder 1. Okay, next, how many times does 4 go into 12? Let's have a look, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, goes in perfectly. We've got 1, 2, and 3. So it goes in 3 with no remainders. So the answer is 183. Next, we've got 3 times table. How many times does 3 go into 625? Let's have a look. So we've got 3 divided by, how many times does 3 go into 6? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes in twice, doesn't it? Yep. 1, 2. So 2. Next, how many times does 3 go into 2? Well, it doesn't, because 2 is smaller than 3, isn't it? So we're going to group them up to the next one. How many times does 3 go into 25? So how many times does 3 go into 25? Let's have a look. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 with 1 remaining. So 8 remainder 1. Well done. I really hope this helped you today. Why not go ahead and try these questions in the extension part now, using the same methods that we've just learned.